Welcome back to Repairs to Go. Today, I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8, perfect if you've forgotten your password, your tablet is frozen, or you just want to start fresh. This method works for most Tab A8 models, like the SM, X200 and X205. Let's jump right in and get your tablet back up and running. Take note, you must plug in the device to a laptop or a charger in order to work the hard reset method. Now press and hold the power button and the volume down at the same time until the device shuts off. Immediately, press and hold the power button again and the volume up button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears and release all the buttons together. And if it's not working the first time, you can always repeat the process until it goes through. Sometimes it needs to have a very good timing in doing this tricky method about Samsung hard reset, especially the tablet models. Again, press and hold the power button and the volume down at the same time until the tablet shuts off. And immediately, press and hold together the power button and the volume up button until the Samsung logo appears while releasing the power button, and continue holding the volume up button. The device will shut off again, but continue holding the volume up and counting 6 to 8 seconds before releasing the volume up button. And now, you are in the Android recovery menu. Using volume buttons, scroll to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press Power to select. Scroll to Factory Data Reset, confirm with Power button. You can also wipe Cache Partition and press Power to select. Once done, choose Reboot System now. That's it. Your Samsung Tab A8 is now fully reset and ready to go. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, is a process that restores a Samsung device to its original factory settings by erasing all user data, apps, accounts, and system settings. This is often used to fix software issues, remove a forgotten password or screen lock, or prepare the device for resale. However, it's important to note that after a hard reset, if the device was previously linked to a Google account, it will trigger Factory Reset Protection, FRP. This means you'll need to log in with the same Google account that was previously synced on the device to complete the setup, a security feature designed to protect against theft. So always back up your data and make sure you know your Google credentials before performing a hard reset. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe to Repairs to Go for more mobile repair guides, tutorials, and tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.